Welcome to ShareNet, a project created by Aditya Yadav and Williamson. Lack of resources, a problem faced in almost every sector of the world. The solution? ShareNet. What do we do? ShareNet creates a network between various organizations in a community. It is an e-platform which first provides space for uploading the inventory of equipment that you're willing to share with the whole world. Second, you can also request items that you require through our platform. How the network works. So imagine an NGO that gives out notebooks, a school that requires a microscope, and a clinic that has an extra microscope but needs books. So ShareNet serves as an intermediary between the donor and the receiver. It's a system through which the NGO can connect and provide the clinic with the required items, and the clinic can do the same for the school. So, what all sectors does our product serve in? Education, health, and literally anything else, ranging from police services in sharing bulletproof jackets to mechanics looking for different sizes of lug nuts. How are we the solution? We help create a network within a community that is based on a simple concept of sharing. Organizations like NGOs get important information like what is required and where. We show the public who are actually helping by displaying all the items that are provided by a certain organization and the quantity of those as well. Further, the government is informed of what every community requires in their nation by by a search page that displays all the required items in within 100-kilometer radius and other settings as well. So let's focus on education first. The literacy rate is directly affected by the lack of resources like books, stationery, experiment kits, etc. To overcome this disability, various institutional organizations can create a pool of resources that they are willing to share and request items that they already have and need. Further, they can directly coordinate without any middleman to procure what they require. Even students and adults and individuals who do not go to school but wish to educate themselves can benefit from ShareNet and attain the items required to self-educate. Now let's come to COVID-19. The worldwide lockdown resulted in multiple services being shut down. Lack of crucial resources like food, books, and medicine was felt all around the world. Using our service, people can directly request items that they require during this capricious time. Within the safety of their home, they can coordinate and attain such items. Governments can collect the data and judge the shortage of certain items in a particular location and plan how to counter it. Moving on to health. So, health is a sector that cannot function without certain resources. In Africa, the problem faced by the health sector due to lack of resources are immense. Some of them are not having a crash cart stocked and ready, not having the proper dosage of emergency medicine in the crash cart, technology issues, and short supply of medicinal equipment. Over here, we step in and we create a network between all the organizations who are working in a similar sector, government funds that are practically money to buy the equipment for hospitals and quarantine centers and labs, NGOs who are willing to give out certain equipment that can help them, a quarantine center that needs medicine and bed sheet, a government funds and NGOs are informed about the quarantine center's requirement, and a lab that has medicine and can provide it is also informed and can work to provide the quarantine center with the required items. For the Africa Library project, what can we do? The library with relevant book categories can be built using our data for location-specific requirements. Further, it can help directly provide the required books while informing everyone about their availability. Let's work with an example. Imagine a farming area. A majority of people over there would be farmers and they would prefer to have information about pesticides and different type of weeds and how to counter it. So library built around those categories would be much more successful than one which is based on technological advancements. Further, an industrial area would like to have books that explain their rights. ShareNet has immense potential. The mission of ShareNet is to enable sharing and pooling of resources among and between various institutions and organizations like health, education, and public works department, etc., for better health, education, well-being, and common good of the society. This will help to economically challenge African countries to optimally utilize the resources and pursue the path of growth. Now let's hop on the website and see how that works. So here we are at the website of ShareNet. This is the homepage and it has all the information regarding the website, such as our mission, how you can help, and how to proceed. Now let's go to login. Over here, if you click register, you can create your own account. I already have created an account, so let's check that out. So as soon as I log in, a lot of information is available to me to view. The homepage is still the same, but if I go to discover request, then all the people who are asking for items, their items are displayed over here according to the category: academics, sports, technology, COVID-19. Then, what if I wanted to get more information? These are shin pads. The reason we need shin pads is for this. They're provided by Grey College. So let's view its details. Now, if I click on view details, I can get all the information regarding it. When I want it, when it needs to be returned. And if you click on send this item, so a message will be sent from our account hacksafrica@gmail.com to gray@college.com. The subject will be this, and whatever message I type over here, hello, I would like your item. This will be received by Grey College. Now, what if we have a lot of items and you want to see what items you have requested? So this will present all the items that you have requested and need. So over here, I can delete them. If I click on details, all the information that I've provided for these items is presented. If I click on a new request, over here, I can create a new item request that I need. If I go to my organization, then this is my organizational page. Anybody who wants to view me can do so over here. This will be the organized description, the website, the admin, email, country, and the postal code. So what if somebody wanted to search organizations? Well, that is available as well. So let's keep the distance within my country and search. Then all the organizations that are within your country and are participating in this event will be displayed over here. So let's go to Africa Hacks. Over here, I can see all the information for Africa Hacks that they have provided: the admin name, the email, the country, and the postal code. Now, what if you are an NGO or you are a government service and you want to provide items to other individuals? Well, our website is just made for you. On items, you can upload items that you already have and are willing to give it to other people. So a flat screen TV, I have one quantity of it and would like to give it to anyone else. So anybody can request that from me. All of these items will be displayed on discover requests for other people. So anybody who wanted to get this item can actually get it. Discover items contains all the data of items that have already been uploaded and are up there for grabs. So anybody who wants items and can simply go, they can search for those items and they can get it. They can view the details and then they can send an email, request this item. So how are discover requests and discover items different? They look the same, right? Discover request has all the items that are requested by someone. These items are the requirement of other people. Discover items are the items that are available to give to other people. So what if you're a new individual and you want to get something from the website? You will go to discover items. If you're not able to find the item that you need, then you will issue a request and that request will be displayed on discover request. Over here, anybody or any organization can choose to fulfill your request. Well, that's about it for the website. Thank you for your time.